you want me to hold your biscuit, Jess?
What?
Do you want me to hold your biscuit so you can climb?
Yeah. But don't eat it.
No, I promise I won't eat it.
No, don't eat it. I want to do that. Why want to climb? Climb. I'm taking the bark off so it's slippery. I think it's going to be more slippery.
Jessie? Jessie?
Where's my biscuit? Where's my biscuit?
It's here. You need 2 hands to do climbing.
What?
You need 2 hands to do climbing.
Yeah. And hold on to it. And then I can climb. Come on, guys.
No, you need to...
I'll eat it.
No, not this one on the back.
No, I would eat it in a minute. Excuse me, Jessica. No, in a minute. Excuse you. No.
Hold on. Stay holding on. That's it.
I'm just taking the bark off so I can hold on easily. Thank you, Becky. I love Lisa. Let's take it off. There's no back. Already kidding. 1, 2.
No, hold on. Hold on with both hands. Yes.
I've done it.
Got
Looks
the
like
woodpecker.
it's jump.
No? Oops. Up you get.
I'm waiting. Mummy, help! I'm stuck! My foot's stuck!
Help her, Jess. Help her.
My foot's stuck! Ooh, Johnny! My foot's stuck! Help me! Help me!
Come here, I'll tuck them back in for you.
Don't move it too much, darling, because it will still wiggly.
What's that?
Jessie, no.
What's that? What's that?
It's a bracket.
Hello, Jessica.
Okay, stop now.
You asked Santa for, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know when he came over and you saw him, that's what he must have been bringing. Open it.
Yeah.
What is it? Which one is it?
In it.
206.
It's for me.
Doesn't look like
It's for me.
Oh, yes, it's
We're going to put someone
I'll
in
play with that.
it. Can't we?
Can you get it out for you?
She also
Then
looked
talking. I think
Get them in your clothes, or some in your clothes, or walk anywhere. Because we play scissors, guys. You have to unscrew it. Little red car.
it's a little red car.
Right,
That's what I asked Santa for. That's why I
That's
asked
wonderful.
for Santa for. Have a signature. There's my hand there. Look, the same again. Jasmine,
Yeah.
this is a box for a car.
Your car. Let's get some tea. Can't wait.
What do you have a cup with you? One to bear. One then, okay. Well then, I sit down for a minute. Glass of wine from here. And a flip for a lie down for a sleep. Waves say a bloom, a ball in the slip. One in a lap, and none in a clip. Wine, and then we go home for a cup of tea, and have some coffee with a baby biscuit. And when we sing a foddy, when your mommy wakes up in the morning and have tea and cookies and tea and dunk. Finch went in there, take it off. So imagine he's a baby Jesus.
You're holding back a bit, sweetie. I can't see him that close. Oh look, there's the baby Jesus. Can you go and put him asleep on the hay?
Baby slip. No hay on it. No hay. No hay on it, Mummy.
Oh, okay.
There's the baby Jesus' bed.
Right, you go and put him on the bed. And go and tell me who his mummy and daddy are.
That's Judas. That's the shepherd. That's for baby Jesus' mummy called Mary. And that's the king.
What's the king bought for the baby Jesus?
Yeah.
What's he bought?
I don't know. He bought that for the baby Jesus. For that baby Jesus. But he didn't have it. So I put him on the floor. Head on the floor, so now he walks with me.
Can you do the voices of the wise men?
Peter, what's your name?
Can you do the voices?
Yeah. Can you do it?
I want you to do it.
What are you? I'm a baby Jesus' daddy. Willow.
Check out the cheese slicer on the cheese grater. You'll be like reborn when you go home.
Put it there, it says L. George.
Frank, I realize this is something
Yellow.
but I want you to understand that my only function is to put it onto your shoulders. A lot of men in this position would see me as a threat from the natural.
Frank, I realize this is coming out pretty damn fast, but I want you to understand my only function here is to
Do
put
you
some
like
your shoulders.
Oh, yes, do. It's always a fun event. So I'm told. I myself am conveniently out of town this weekend.
More, please. We didn't have
Too bad.
any.
No worries, Governor. But here's a little taste of what you'll be missing.